Excel is installed in thousands of different sites in a range of vertical markets across the world, from health to finance, from business to data centres. With a focus on system performance, independent verification and a 25-year warranty, it's easy to see why Excel is the system of choice across so many organisations and different vertical markets. Let's take a closer look at Excel in the education sector. The Wick High School project required a future-proof installation that offered the latest in technological innovations to support the students' learning. Granada University had invested in a new building to house IT companies, which demanded a high-speed, reliable network that had the capacity to provide mobility to its users. The City of Westminster College selected Excel products to furnish their infrastructure network on their new campus, designed to meet the demands of current and future staff and students. The Stendhal College offers state-of-the-art facilities to students, which needed to be accompanied with a reliable infrastructure network to support its operations for years to come. Those were just a few Excel installations in the education sector. Excel products feature at a range of universities, secondary schools, colleges and primary schools across the world, and the Excel portfolio is continuing to evolve to incorporate products that boast the latest in technological innovations suitable for these environments. For more information about Excel reference sites and the latest installations in your country, please contact our sales team on 0121 326 7557 or send an email to sales@excel-networking.com.